Where is it?
On the floor. Is it dead?
Don't kill my birdie. Birdie, hold it.
What's his name? Pablo?
Pedro.
Oh. Pedro.
He's up on the fucking couch. Crush him.
Wait.
Crush him. Crush him. I don't want to kill my bird. Pedro.
Oh, how the heck did you get a bird out of the cage?
It's fucking... There it is. It escaped.
Get in, birdie.
Get Pedro!
Let's take a drop.
Grab it!
Oh, I'm so good. Don't keep my bird! Imagine me doing this alone.
Damn, Margaret, you grabbed it too slow.
I'm scared to grab it. Are you crazy?
I'm not you. Fuck.
Fuck me. Where are you? Where is he?
Where'd he go? I don't know.
Where'd he go?
Pedro.
He's calling him Pablo.
Oh my god!
Step on it. Don't step on
I'm
it.
trying not to. Okay, Margaret, you do it. You're good at it.
Move, baby.
Oh my god, that was so close.
Okay, come
oh
on,
my god.
honey, I'm scared. Get a bigger...
Yes! Yes! Bring it to the cage! Hold it tight! Hold it tight! Hold it tight!
Oh wait, it's gonna bite me. Go, no, go. What do I do?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No, wait.
Don't let it out. Wait. Am I gonna end up squishing it? Oh my god, poor birdie.
Wait, not yet.
Wait.
It's gonna bite me.
Yeah! You're in the cage. You're stuck in the cage. You're stuck in the cage. You are in the cage. You are